Whoever told you a college degree is the only way to make six figures was lying. Sure, it's the traditional path, but it's not the only one. Plenty of careers pay serious money without 4 years of tuition, student loans, or lectures that have nothing to do with making a living. Now, let's set expectations. Pay depends on location, experience, and demand, so not every job on this list will hit six figures right away. High paying is also relative. The median individual income in the US sits around $48,000, so doubling that is a serious win. So what jobs actually deliver? This list breaks down careers that can get you to six figures without a degree, what it takes to land them, and why demand is only growing. Some require certifications or apprenticeships, but none will bury you in student debt. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Commercial pilot, non-airline. Not all pilots fly for the big airlines, and that's good news for anyone looking for six figures without a degree. Commercial pilots operate charter flights, private jets, and cargo planes with salaries in the $100,000 to $150,000 range. The process is straightforward. Earn a commercial pilot's license, rack up flight hours, and get FAA certified. Training isn't cheap, but it's faster and less expensive than a 4-year degree. With the growing demand for cargo transport and private travel, pilots are cashing in. The schedule can be unpredictable, and you'll need to stay on top of medical certifications. But if you love flying and want financial freedom, this is a career worth considering. Number 2. Construction manager. If you've ever driven past a construction site and wondered who's making the real money, it's the manager. Overseeing building projects pays anywhere from $100,000 to $140,000, and the industry isn't slowing down. No degree required, just experience, strong leadership skills, and an understanding of budgeting and deadlines. Many starts as laborers or trade workers before moving up. Certifications like the Certified Construction Manager, CCM, help, but aren't mandatory. The work is hands-on, fast-paced, and constantly evolving. With infrastructure projects ramping up nationwide, good construction managers are in demand. If you can juggle schedules, budgets, and egos while keeping projects on track, this is a path to serious income. Number 3. Nuclear reactor operator. Operating a nuclear reactor sounds intense, and it is, but it pays well. Salaries range from $100,000 to $140,000, with training provided on the job. Operators control nuclear power plant systems, monitor reactor conditions, and follow strict safety protocols. A high school diploma and extensive training are required, plus licensing through the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. The job demands focus and precision, but nuclear plants offer stability, strong benefits, and solid career growth. With many experienced operators retiring, opportunities for new hires are increasing. Those who advance to senior or supervisory roles see even bigger paychecks. Number 4. Air traffic controller. Controlling the skies isn't for the faint of heart, but if you can handle stress and make split-second decisions, this job is a goldmine. Air traffic controllers manage the safe movement of aircraft, directing pilots during takeoff, landing, and everything in between. The salary? Expect anywhere between $110,000 to $150,000, with experienced controllers making even more. The catch? You need to apply before turning 31, pass rigorous medical and psychological exams, and complete training at the FAA Academy. The job is in high demand, and with ongoing staffing shortages, opportunities are strong. But it's not a cushy gig. Shifts can be brutal, and the responsibility is huge. Still, if you want high pay without a degree and don't mind pressure, this could be the ticket. Number 5. Locomotive engineer. Operating freight and passenger trains doesn't just look cool, it pays well too. Locomotive engineers bring in between $100,000 to $120,000 after completing railroad company training. Learning the controls, signals, and safety protocols takes time, but the career offers strong benefits and job security. With supply chains depending on rail transport, demand for engineers remains steady. Shifts can be long, sometimes involving overnight travel. But the pay and pension plans make up for it. Those who work on high-speed or specialized routes can earn even more. Number 6. Radiation therapist. Helping fight cancer while making six figures? That's the reality for radiation therapists, who operate machines that deliver targeted radiation treatments. The job pays between $100,000 to $120,000, and demand keeps climbing as healthcare expands. Unlike many medical careers, you don't need a degree, just an accredited radiation therapy program and certification from the American Registry of Radiologic Technologists, ARRT. It's a mix of patient care and technical skill, requiring precision and a steady hand. The work environment is clinical but not chaotic like an ER. If you want job security, a solid paycheck, and the chance to help people daily, this career delivers. Number 7. Elevator and escalator installer or repairer. Next time you step into an elevator, remember someone is making six figures keeping it running. Elevator and escalator installers earn between $100,000 to $120,000, and the industry isn't slowing down. Cities are growing, buildings are getting taller, and someone needs to install and maintain all those moving parts. The job requires mechanical know-how, physical stamina, and an apprenticeship, no college necessary. Licensing is required in some states, but unions often provide training. It's hands-on work, sometimes at dizzying heights, but the pay makes it worth it. With automation taking over other trades, this one remains a solid bet for long-term job security. Number 8. Commercial diver. Not afraid of deep water? Commercial divers make six figures inspecting, repairing, and welding underwater structures. Salaries range from $100,000 to $150,000, depending on the type of work and location. Training involves a diving certification and specialized skills like underwater construction. Offshore oil rigs, bridge repairs, and ship maintenance all require skilled divers, keeping demand high. The work is physically intense and sometimes dangerous, but the pay reflects the risks. Many jobs involve travel, with assignments lasting weeks at a time. Those who combine diving with welding or engineering skills see even bigger paychecks. Number 9. Web developer. Web development is one of the fastest ways to hit six figures without a degree, and demand keeps climbing. Skilled developers pull in $100,000 to $130,000 designing and maintaining websites, apps, and online platforms. Learning the trade takes dedication. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back-end programming aren't going to learn themselves. But with online courses, coding boot camps, and self-study, many developers break into the field without setting foot in a college classroom. Companies need websites, e-commerce is booming, and good coders get paid well. Freelancers can earn even more, setting their own rates and working remotely. If you're analytical, creative, and willing to keep up with evolving tech, this career pays off. Number 10. Power plant operator. Keeping the lights on is a six-figure job, and power plant operators make it happen. Running turbines, monitoring electrical output, and maintaining equipment isn't glamorous, but it pays between $100,000 to $120,000. Training happens on the job, with apprenticeships and industry certifications helping speed things up. Some plants require licensing, but there's no degree requirement. Retirements in this field are opening up more opportunities, making this a solid career for those who want stability. The shifts can be long, and attention to detail is critical. One mistake can take down an entire grid. If working behind the scenes to power homes and businesses sounds appealing, this career pays well and has real job security. Number 11. Real estate broker. The right deals can turn a real estate broker into a six-figure earner fast. While agents work under a broker, getting a broker's license means keeping more commission and running the business. Salaries swing widely, but those in hot markets easily make $100,000 to $150,000. No degree is required, just a real estate license, experience, and the ability to close deals. The market moves in cycles, but skilled brokers find ways to keep earning no matter what. Networking, understanding contracts, and negotiating like a pro separate the top earners from the rest. For those willing to hustle and build a client base, this career offers financial freedom. Number 12. Senior HVAC Technician. Fixing and installing heating and cooling systems isn't just essential, it's profitable. Senior HVAC techs pull in between $100,000 to $120,000, especially with specialized skills or business ownership. Training happens through apprenticeships or trade schools, and certifications boost credibility. Extreme temperatures mean HVAC work never slows down, keeping demand steady year-round. The physical side of the job requires stamina, but strong technical skills lead to management roles with even higher pay. Homeowners and businesses always need climate control, making this a career with long-term stability. Number 13. Dental Hygienist. Cleaning teeth and keeping smiles healthy isn't just important, it's profitable. Experienced dental hygienists earn between $100,000 to $120,000, especially in high-demand areas or private clinics. Training involves an accredited dental hygiene program and state licensure, but no 4-year degree is necessary. The job is hands-on, with a mix of patient care, preventive treatments, and education. The healthcare industry isn't slowing down, and demand for dental services keeps growing as more people prioritize oral health. Hours are typically flexible, and many hygienists work part-time while still making 6 figures. Number 14. Freelance Digital Marketer. Companies don't just need websites, they need traffic and sales, and that's where digital marketers cash in. Specializing in social media, SEO, paid ads, or email marketing can push earnings past $100,000, sometimes reaching $130,000. College degrees take a backseat to results, with skills learned through self-study, online courses, or agency experience. Businesses rely on marketing to stay competitive, and specialists who can generate leads and boost revenue never struggle to find work. The best part? Many marketers work remotely and set their own rates. Those who master data-driven strategies and high-converting campaigns end up in serious demand. Number 15. Stenographer, live captioning. Typing at lightning speed isn't just a party trick, it's a 6-figure skill. Stenographers providing live captions for TV, government meetings, and legal proceedings earn between $100,000 to $120,000. Training focuses on machine shorthand, with certification increasing job opportunities. Demand is growing, especially with accessibility laws requiring more live captions. Accuracy is everything, and top stenographers hit speeds of 225 words per minute. Freelancers and those working high-profile events often see even higher earnings. This career rewards precision and focus, turning fast fingers into serious income. Number 16. Cybersecurity Analyst, self-taught or bootcamp graduate. Protecting companies from hackers pays well, even without a degree. Cybersecurity analysts earn between $100,000 to $140,000, securing networks and preventing data breaches. Certifications like CompTIA Security and Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, carry more weight than a diploma. Demand keeps climbing as cyber threats evolve, with businesses investing heavily in security. Those who learn penetration testing, cloud security, or threat analysis see even bigger paydays. The industry moves fast, requiring constant learning, but the rewards make it worth the effort. Remote work is common, giving professionals flexibility while earning 6 figures. Number 17. Wind Turbine Technician. Renewable energy isn't the future, it's happening now, and wind turbine technicians are cashing in. Salaries range from $100,000 to $130,000, with demand climbing as wind farms expand. Training comes through technical programs or apprenticeships, with hands-on experience leading to better pay. The job involves climbing massive turbines, troubleshooting electrical systems, and performing routine maintenance. It's physically demanding and requires working at heights, but the industry offers strong job security. Wind power is expected to keep growing, and skilled technicians will always be needed. Number 18. Personal Trainer, specialized niche market. Helping people get in shape turns into a six-figure career for trainers who target the right clients. Those working with high-end clients, athletes, executives, celebrities pull in $100,000 to $150,000. A basic fitness certification opens the door, but branding and marketing skills separate top earners. Social media plays a huge role, with trainers leveraging online coaching and premium memberships. The health and wellness industry keeps expanding, and demand for expert trainers isn't slowing down. Those who specialize in strength training, rehab, or nutrition gain a competitive edge. It takes hustle, but the right approach turns fitness knowledge into financial success. Number 19. Police detective. If you like solving puzzles and don't mind chasing bad guys, police detective work can be both lucrative and rewarding. Salaries range from $100,000 to $130,000, with opportunities for overtime pushing earnings even higher. Detectives start as police officers before moving up through promotions and exams. Training happens at the police academy, and experience in law enforcement is a must. The job involves investigating crimes, gathering evidence, and questioning suspects. It's demanding, sometimes dangerous, but comes with strong job stability. Many departments offer pensions and benefits, making this career path financially attractive. If you're sharp and not afraid of a challenge, this can be a high-paying way to serve and protect. Number 20. Sales representative, high-ticket products. Selling the right products leads to massive commissions, with top sales reps earning $100,000 to $200,000. Industries like medical devices, software, and luxury goods reward strong closers with big paydays. No degree is necessary, just sales training, persistence, and confidence. The best reps understand human psychology, master negotiation, and never fear rejection. Companies always need sales, making this one of the most recession-proof careers. Those who develop a specialty and build long-term relationships see the highest earnings. Six-figure careers without a degree. College isn't the only ticket to a six-figure income. These jobs prove it. The right skills, training, and hustle can open doors to high-paying careers without drowning in student debt. Industries are shifting, and demand for skilled workers keeps climbing, creating real opportunities for those willing to step up. Many of these careers offer stability, strong benefits, and room for growth, making them smart, long-term moves. Traditional degrees don't guarantee success, but specialized skills and the right mindset do. The only question is, are you ready to cash in? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.